Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make a simple recipe of stir-fried cabbage. You can apply this recipe to a lot of leafy vegetables, but today I chose to apply it to red cabbage. The ingredients you need are chopped red cabbage, garlic, salt, bacon fat, and beef broth. After cutting the cabbage and garlic, preheat and coat the pan with oil. To maximize garlic flavor, cook the garlic and coat it around the pan until it's crispy. Then, take out the garlic and put in the cabbage with salt. Add beef broth until the cabbage is partially covered. You then cover the cabbage until the stems are soft. When ready, you add the garlic and stir-fry the cabbage. Lastly, serve and you have a simple and flavorful cabbage. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.